Hello, folks. Well, we've seen all kinds of animals out here on the golf course, from geese, deer, jackrabbits, and even humans. But this is the first time we ever saw these turkeys out here. Let's see where they go from my Mini 4 Pro. I'm going to speed up the video now a little bit so this won't be as long. Here we go. Just follow the leader.
Come on, Frank. You said we were going to be there in 5 more minutes.
You know, Mabel, I think he's lost.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Will you shut up, Henry?
Well, it looks like they like these blue spruce pines the best, and that's where they stopped. Well, thanks a lot for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of nature here, and we'll see you next time. Happy New Year. This is Dave the Night Flyer, signing off till the next episode.